The Ukraine-Russia war has been a testing ground for deadly weapons. Weapons that are predictable and always capable of being destroyed by the enemy. However, what if Russia finds a magic weapon that its enemies have no way to defend against? Glide bomb. And that weapon is a glide bomb. The glide bomb is not a new solution. It was originally a dumb bomb from the Soviet era. These amazing bombs have been slightly modified and have become Moscow's most effective weapons in recent months. By incorporating satellite guidance, these old-fashioned stupid bombs have been upgraded into smart bombs, capable of self-directing and accurately attacking targets. The use of glide bombs in war has caused much controversy and criticism from the international community for causing civilian casualties and damage to infrastructure. However, Moscow continues to use this weapon as part of its military strategy, raising questions about the impact and consequences of future use of this wonder weapon. In recent times, Russia has waged a relentless campaign of terror against Ukraine's frontline forces and neighboring cities, using glide bombs to devastating effect. Every week, hundreds of these bombs are dropped across Ukraine, but there is little the country can do to counter these attacks. The sheer scale of the bombings had a profound impact, contributing significantly to the recent fall of Avdiivka in February. The fall of Avdiivka was marked by widespread destruction of buildings and fortifications, marking an important Russian victory. The city of Avdiivka is strategically important as it serves as the gateway to the Russian-controlled Donetsk region. Reports from the Ukrainian Air Force indicate that the bombs most commonly used by Russia are the FAB-1500 and FAB-1500. These bombs, whose names suggest their weight, were adapted into advanced glide bombs, increasing their effectiveness and range. However, the most alarming development for Ukraine is Russia's recent deployment of large glide bombs. In particular, the FAB-1500 and FAB-3000 have increased destructive power. Even smaller bombs have caused significant damage, but the use of these larger, more powerful weapons has escalated the threat to unprecedented levels. The destructive power of the FAB-1500 and FAB-3000 raises important questions about their impact and Russia's strategic need for them. Despite the effectiveness of lighter variants, larger bombs deliver a level of destruction that greatly enhances their ability to destroy critical infrastructure and military positions. For Ukraine, this poses a serious challenge, as the scale and intensity of these bombings have pushed the limits of its defenses and highlighted the unrelenting nature of the ongoing conflict. Take place. The glide bombs used by Russia today are modernized versions of Soviet-era weapons. The development of these bombs began with the FAB-250, first developed in 1946. Initially, these bombs were powerful aerial munitions, dropped from aircraft to create significant explosive impact. Unlike its completely unguided predecessors, the FAB-250 and its later versions were equipped with wings. This design modification allows the bomb to glide toward the target, transforming it from a simple unguided explosive into a precision-guided munition. The addition of wings means these bombs can travel 40 to 70 kilometers, allowing strikes from a safer distance. This capability significantly enhances the effectiveness of the weapon, as it allows to carry out successful attacks without causing the aircraft to launch in front of close-range air defense systems near the target. The accuracy and long range of these glide bombs represented a significant advancement in the field of aerial weapons, demonstrating the continued refinement of Soviet-era technology into modern warfare strategies. FAB-1500. Turning our attention to the heart of this discussion, the FAB-1500, affectionately known as the construction destroyer by Russian military bloggers, has revealed itself to be a truly formidable weapon. Weighing 1.5 tons, this bomb carries an impressive amount of explosives weighing 675 kilograms, capable of causing great destruction within a radius of 200 meters. The sheer power of the FAB-1500 was described by a soldier from the 46th Independent Airborne Brigade stationed in Donetsk, Ukraine as devastating. The bomb's impact was so severe that it earned a fearsome reputation on the battlefield. According to the Bomber Telegram channel, the newly developed glider kit for the FAB-1500 has significantly expanded its operating range, enhancing its strategic value. This upgrade has also improved its accuracy, with reports showing accuracy within a 5-meter radius. The FAB-1500's ability to deliver overwhelming force over significant distances makes it a powerful tool in modern warfare. Its advanced gliding capabilities allow for precision strikes from a distance, minimizing the risk of attacking aircraft while maximizing the destructive potential of the bomb. FAB-3000. The next weapon is FAB-3000, weighing 3 tons, containing 1,200 kilograms of explosives, one of the largest bombs Russia has ever used. With its huge warhead, its impact will certainly be fierce. The bomb's destruction was captured in a video showing it destroying a building in Lipsy, 10 miles north of Kharkiv in Ukraine. It's unclear exactly how far these bombs can fly, but smaller Russian glide bombs can travel about 25 miles. A 3.3-ton bomb may not be as aerodynamic and may have a shorter range than smaller projectiles. However, even though these large bombs can narrowly miss their targets, they still have terrible destructive power. The FAB-3000 can deal explosive damage at a distance of more than 200 meters and propel deadly debris up to more than 1,200 meters. So missing the target by about 10 meters is actually considered an excellent result, because with its huge size, this bomb is still capable of causing serious damage. The enormous size and weight of these bombs makes us question whether Russian bombers are capable of carrying and dropping them effectively. However, reality has proven that these bombs can still be deployed and used in attacks, causing huge damage. In their load, when it comes to FAB-3000, operators can make an important provision. At the heart of Russia's strategic bombing capabilities is the Tu-22M3, a long-range bomber specifically designed to carry heavy and highly destructive weapons. The aircraft is equipped to deploy massive FAB-3000 bombs, which, despite their formidable power, can only be carried in limited quantities, specifically 2 per aircraft. The strategic value of the Tu-22M3, combined with a high risk of losing such assets in enemy territory, makes routine use of these large bombs less practical. The Tu-22M3, with its ability to carry these massive weapons, is an important part of Russia's airstrike capabilities. However, the risk of using such valuable aircraft in hostile airspace limits the frequency of their operations. Therefore, Russia's deployment of the FAB-3000 bomb is strategically limited. In contrast, the Su-34, a multi-role tactical bomber, is often used to carry smaller bombs. Although capable of deploying glide bombs, it is not the primary aircraft of the FAB-3000 due to payload limitations and the need for different combat tactics. A recent analysis by Forbes highlights that the real immediate threat to Ukraine comes not from the occasional use of the FAB-3000, but from the smaller bombs that Russia deploys on a daily basis. The challenges associated with the deployment and logistical complexity of large bombs like the FAB-3000 mean they are used less often than smaller bombs. However, the presence and potential deployment of these giant bombs remains a real concern. The reason behind Russia's continued use of large bombs such as the FAB-1500 and FAB-3000 lies in their terrible destructive power. The FAB-1500, weighing 1.5 tons and carrying 675 kilograms of high explosives, is designed to create widespread destruction within a radius of up to 200 meters. This bomb, often referred to by Russian military bloggers as the construction destroyer A, is equipped with a glider that extends its range and accuracy, allowing it to hit targets from considerable distances with precision. High body. The enhanced destructive capabilities of these large bombs provide a significant advantage in targeting fortified structures, critical infrastructure, or entrenched positions. Smaller bombs, while effective, may have difficulty penetrating the defenses of well-defended targets. The ability of larger bombs to create deeper craters and cause greater damage makes them especially valuable in strategic strikes against vital enemy assets. Additionally, the psychological impact of such overwhelming firepower cannot be underestimated. The sheer scale of destruction caused by these massive bombs could have a profound effect on enemy morale, instilling fear and potentially weakening the resolve of opposing forces. While the deployment of large bombs like the FAB-3000 may be infrequent due to the complexity and risks involved in using high-value aircraft, their role in Russia's arsenal is worth mentioning. Their ability to cause widespread destruction and psychological intimidation justifies their use, even if not on a daily basis. For Ukraine, the dual threat of the frequent use of smaller bombs and the frequent deployment of large destructive weapons requires a multifaceted defense strategy. Addressing the immediate dangers posed by smaller bombs while preparing for the potential impact of larger munitions is essential to effectively manage the complexities of modern warfare. So should Ukraine be more afraid of these giant bombs or the lighter FAB bombs? Share your thoughts in the comments section below. Remember to like, share the video, and subscribe to the channel to follow the latest military information here. Thanks for watching, and see you again.